Alright, so here we are on the inside of my truck. I don't think this will zoom out far enough. That sucks. So we're going to use the insulation foil like that for the walls when we do this. I just bought a solar panel. So along this side, the goal is to run a box with maybe the other side, because that's where the diesel goes. Maybe on this side we'll run an electric box with some 12-volt batteries. Solar panel will plug through the wall to the outside. My dad put in a couple of windows. We do have a table that pops up, and well, we have a hoist, I guess. Just need a pulley and we can load heavy things in here. Maybe a deer. That'd be nice. Seriously though, gotta do this top because it's not good. Gotta replace the muffler because it doesn't exist. Alright. Not 100% sure. Alright, so it does lock up. I don't know how these lights work. I guess I'll have to trace all that stuff to somewhere. This is the bane of my existence right now. Hey!